we back. Right, okay. But why are you looking at me, Kawhi? Yeah, we're at the airport. Frontier need to get their mess together because first they were just like, we at gate E2. Then we got an email talking about some we at gate D. Then we got another one talking about, oh no, we at gate E6. Like, well, I would have been mad if we went all the way to gate D and we had to turn right back around and go to gate E. But that's what happened when you book with Frontier. Y'all like the plane here? Yeah. So I don't know. I hit y'all one probably when we get to the Airbnb. Welcome aboard, y'all. We just got on the plane. Kavaya all the way in the back. We just not boarding the plane. It's like what?
Yes.
12.
Yes, 12:19. We're supposed to board the plane at 11:40. Frontier taking to airport.
But
Scans are good.
I guess I'm gonna hit y'all when we land.
Yep.
Alright, y'all. So we made it to the airport, to Miami. We went on our Uber. They're like, we should be pulling up in like a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the B&B. So we're at the B&B. Real nice. I think this is like a lounge area.
Yeah, that was a lounge area. But this is how
At the lounge area. This is like, that's like a restaurant.
down here. This is how it looks. We start.
I don't think we gonna eat here, but
Yeah, we're not eating here, but it's cute.
I gotta go to the bathroom. So I'll be with y'all back in a minute. Okay, y'all. So we're not in our Airbnb because they was not ready. They was still cleaning our Airbnb when we got here. And we got here late. So I'm not pretty sure why they were still cleaning our Airbnb. But yeah, we're waiting on them. Waiting on them
And I also want
to
to try that blueberry soda.
finish cleaning our Airbnb. She over here getting some nasty shit that
No.
she probably not even gonna like.
This is a peanut butter and chocolate granola bar, and this I don't know if I'm like this because it's like Oreo brownie. I don't know. I'm gonna try it.
Why not?
And I'm gonna try this blueberry soda. It's probably gonna be nasty. Oh my
Yeah, I gotta finish doing my TikToks for my hair. I still haven't finished it.
What's your
Yeah. Hey y'all. Yeah, we're trying to find some place to eat. We was gonna go to Bacon Bitch, but we have to have reservations. So we probably either go later or tomorrow. We're finna try something to eat. We have not ate nothing all day.
What's that look good in this stuff? And it's giving.
But yeah. We need to see how far Zai is. I know. Alright y'all, so it's currently like 11:20. I just woke up like an hour ago.
We're finna go to Bacon Bitch. We're finna go to Bacon Bitch. They got 2 of them in Miami. It's one on South Beach, but the one on South Beach is too packed. Like, so we just go to the one that's near us. It's a 7-minute walk. So we go get ready. Go to prayer. Kavaya in the shower. Hopefully we see Zanu, my bitches. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I got on my outfit and I'm ready. So we're at this pizza place. I got my pizza. And then in a little bit we're gonna go to the tree topping at like 3. And then I said we're gonna be there. Then we go to the beach after that. And then yeah. But I don't even know how to put this on. That ain't cool. But yeah, so far the trip been real nice and real cool. But I'm finna eat, so. Alright y'all, so we made it back to the B&B. We just waiting on our lift right now. And we're gonna go to our next activity. But yeah, so far Miami is a little vibe. Like, I like it out here. I just might move here. Like, it's lit. But this traffic is crazy. I thought Atlanta traffic was something. No, Miami traffic is it's OD. But yeah, we're gonna go tree topping. I might record it. I don't know. I don't want to drop my phone, but I'm gonna try to remember. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna hit you guys later when I'm at the place.
Hi guys, we're about to do this tree hiking thing, tree topping.
Tree topping.
Tree topping.
I'm gonna go zip line it and like it's a little activity thing.
Very cool, guys.
Yeah.
Come try it out. Ice is coming down. Going so good. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Hey y'all, so it is our last day in Miami. I'm so sad. I don't want to go, but I'm gonna be back real soon. But right now we're just at the pool. Kavaya was taking pictures, and now we just really chilling here because our flight is not until 7 and our checkout was at 11, so we just chilling right now. And we probably gonna go to this crab place and eat and just buy time, because like we're not just trying to sit at the airport for too long. Nobody got time for that. So yeah, we're probably gonna go there. I'm gonna vlog that.
But yeah, so far my trip was good. I really love Miami. Like I said, I might move here. Like, this shit is so lit. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I hit y'all, because I might forget. But yeah. Alright, y'all. So we just got done eating at this place called the Fatty Crab. It was nasty. I will not be coming back here again. But I didn't even finish my food. It was like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if they seafood is different from ours, but it's just not. It's not like Atlanta seafood. So I really feel like I just wasted some money. For real. But we still got a couple more hours till our flight. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out. Yeah. Alright, so it's a couple days later. I'm back home, and y'all, tell me why. Before I boarded the plane, my mom called and she was just like, somebody broke into your car. And I'm like, bruh, like, it's just always something. But by the grace of God, you know, I got the money to get the part fixed. Well, I haven't got it fixed yet, but I just ordered the part for it and I got it. And somebody, one of my mom's friends is gonna come fix it. But it's just like, people really cannot have nothing nice nowadays, especially living in Atlanta. Everybody just wanna break into people's cars and things like that. Like, it's just so annoying. So now, hopefully that probably at the later in the year, I can be financially ready for a new car, because I don't have time for this. Because I looked it up, like, they're like targeting Kias and Hyundais. Like, I don't have time for that. Like, I'm just gonna be looking for a new car, and hopefully, you know, God blesses me with one. So yeah, just had to deal with that. But yeah, thank God that I, you know, had the money to get it fixed, and it wasn't that expensive. But they like took something. They broke my key lock thing, and then they broke my window. So I have to like go and get that fixed probably tomorrow. But yeah, like, I had a good trip, then came back to the BS. Like, but nonetheless, I just, you know, am grateful that I am able to, like, you know, get that issue resolved as fast as I could have, as fast as I can, because, you know, I still have class, and yeah, like, school's not over with, and then I'm trying to get a job, you know, a little summer job, so I can stack my money and be able to afford a new car. But yeah, that's that. I'm on the way to do hair now, and yeah, but I know that my vlog is gonna be like, y'all gonna be like, bitch, you ain't even show nothing. But y'all, in Miami, I had to be on alert. Like, it was just so much going on. Like, I just had to be on alert, and like, it was just so many people coming up to me, you know, the usual Miami shenanigans. Everybody want to get everybody's number, Instagram, this and that. Like, yeah. But it was just a whole lot of going on. But my next vlog is Orange Crush. Orange Crush is gonna be lit. It's gonna be like a Miami part 2. Okay? Probably a little more ghetto. Probably like the same ghetto, but I'm gonna do better at vlogging and getting, you know, getting action, you know? But yeah, just bear with me and bear with my videos, because it's, you know, it's my first time, you know,
my first time like trying to take YouTube serious and everything like that. Ooh. So yeah, if y'all wonder what car I'm driving my mom's car. But yeah, y'all just bear with me. Like I said, my video quality will be getting better. I'm trying to get try to get me a camera instead of using my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna put some lip gloss on to keep lifting my lips. But yeah, my next vlog will be way better than this vlog if I even do post it. I'm pretty sure I probably will post it just so y'all can see the development with my videos. But yeah, next vlog will probably be Orange Crush, and yeah, it's gonna be way better than what I did before. And yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, bear with me, and yeah, follow me on this little YouTube journey. So I'll see y'all next video. So bye.